Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and our release is really fun today because some of these items you might already have. Okay, so before you order, double check. But these items that are being released are items you might have seen somewhere else. For example, on HSN. I took quite a few of these items on HSN. Also, one of them is from our Kit Club. Remember, a lot of times now we do card bases in our Kit Club. What? Are you kidding me? Yeah. And now if you missed this one, you'll be able to grab it. So let's just jump in, okay? It's easier to show you than explain, right? A lot of you missed this one. This is the Sideways oval that I took on HSN. It comes with a happy birthday, it comes with some dragonflies, a fun cupcake, and the word hello to drop in there. We are also releasing the dies, Thinking of You, Congrats, and Just a Note. This sold out on HSN when I took it on the air. So now is your chance to grab it. We've had a lot of requests for this one because a lot of people missed it. So now is your chance to get this one, okay? We're also releasing, and I have samples to share with you. I also made the mistake not that long ago to use this stamp set, and it's not on our website. I took it on HSN quite a while ago. It is called Friend Phrases for HSN. Now you can get it. Now the nice one about this one is it's 2 different fonts, so you can say, thinking of you, my friend, my dear friend. It's your birthday. Let's party. Thank you. Happy birthday. I'm so blessed to call you my friend. Wishing you the most beautiful day. A little note to say you made my day. Would go perfect with this oval flip it, right? Okay, now, those of you that missed it in our Kit Club, now you can get the A1 Vine card. Now, it would have been so much better for you to be in the Kit Club to get this, because you're getting all that extra stuff for such a little amount of money, because this is $27.99 on its own, right? So imagine getting all those extra discounts, all those extra goodies in the Kit Club and have it sent to you automatically. Join the Kit Club. It's awesome. You won't be disappointed. And in one of our classes a long time ago, we had a Hibiscus Stencil. We have a few left over. This is very, very limited. Once it's gone forever. So grab it quick if you don't have it. Let's look at some samples. I have the cutest samples. Look at this. Hi, cupcake. Open it up. Happy birthday. You know I love my flip-its. You could also do a Christmas type happy birthday. Open it up. Yes, you can do the hidden panel on this flip-it. Here's a cute one, Thinking of You. I obviously took this on HSN during Christmas time, can you tell? Here's a fun one, Happy Birthday, blow out the candles. Here's one, Thinking of You. Lots of options to drop in there if you want to. Here's another, Thinking of You. Now, what if you don't want to? Oh, is this 2? 2 for the price of 1. Whoops. Here we go. Happy birthday and thinking of you. What if you don't want to use any words? You don't have to. Put a llama on there instead. This one's stuck a little. There we go. These are old samples because I took it on HSN a long time ago. Happy Valentine's Day. Here's a cute one that Hello made into a shaker. You know how much I love my shakers. So this is a shaker and a flip it. Double duty, isn't that awesome? Here's a cute one. Look at with our 3D ink, our cute little squirrels. Thinking of you. Happy Valentine's Day. Here's another happy birthday with that fun cupcake. Look how intricate that gorgeous cupcake is. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely love it. Here's a cute one, Thinking of You, with the dragonflies that come in the card kit. Isn't that fun? I'm in with the oval flip it. Here's a cute one, Happy Birthday. Another happy birthday, another happy birthday with that cupcake and the dragonflies. Here's a cute one. Oh, look how gorgeous this one is. Open it up, hugs, Thinking of You with the words on the inside. Hidden panel, love you, will you be mine? Isn't that adorable? Love it, love it, love it. Here's a cute one, happy birthday. Open it up, Thinking of You. Isn't that awesome? So now is your chance to get these items. Don't wait if you don't have the Hibiscus stencil, because once it's gone forever. We don't redo our stencils. Once it's gone forever. So go check out these items. Hopefully you already have this one, because hopefully you're already in the card kit and you already got this one. If you're not in the card kit, get in now, because you're getting bigger dies. We have raised the value of the kit club, but we did not raise the price. Who does that? What company does that? What company says, hey, we're going to give you more stuff and we're not going to raise the price? Like, why did we do that? I don't know. Kenny and I one day said, hey, let's do this. You know, it's so much fun. We like to give you guys extra stuff. That's just how we are. We like to do freebies. We like to give you discounts. You know us. We just like to do that. So thank you so much. Go check it out, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.